Camera's rolling now. You may get this whole road here. You may get the whole road, Dad. Or you? We got. I don't think there's much down that way. Tree down in the backyard. We got garbage cans all over the road. We got a trampoline wrapped around the tree. By the way, we're fixing. I think we're in another warning. Yep. Sandy's got trees. Sandy's got a tree down. Oh God! Look at the tree limb. Has to be straight line winds. I'm getting the trampoline. And the flagpole is snapped down there. Where's the flag? I don't know. I just ruined my shoes. Holy crap. I would go back there, but my shoes are ruined now. And it looks like lightning hit it. Or unless that's bark.
It tore apart the whole daggone tree.
It did.
The tree's dead.
Yeah. That one.
Mom needs to.
They got their stuff over there too. And we got another storm fixing to run. It come up.
We need to have someone come over here and pick this up. Yeah. Someone needs to call it in. Look at
Yeah,
that.
we need to call it in.
Did that come off something?
All right, I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna stop recording.
Man, that's a lot of water.
Yeah, it is. Okay, I'm gonna stop video. Get a video of it. Does AutoZone have electric?
It's
Nope.
weird.
The doctor's office, she's gonna have a backup generator.
AutoZone's
Yep.
out, dollar stores out. Yeah, Corbin's counselor, so they don't have any.
Yeah, they don't have.
Yeah, you can definitely tell.
This
IGA's
whole
without
mall is
electric.
gone.
Oops, I just ran it.
The
It
whole
wasn't a
mall
red
is
light.
out, dude. As far
Actually,
as
I think the
parties
traffic
is out.
lights are out, so you're good.
No,
The bank has electric.
The bank has electric.
They have backup
They have-
generators.
Car
because
wash,
they're not gonna
yes.
take
The
a
Welcome
chance
Center's
on-
still in.
There goes some vehicles.
Horizon, that whole mall's still in.
Does
All
the
these places don't have backups.
restaurants should?
They have electric here.
All of them, yeah. I've heard the McDonald's Wi-Fi is out though.
It may just be the Wi-Fi, but not the electric.
The majority of towns out. That's.
I think it's just the side that has electric because they have backups.
I'll turn around up here. by the
Man,
way.
how come we can get tornadoes and not get this stuff?
Believe it or not, we don't get the violent tornadoes around here. They're very rare.
Y'all want some Jimmy John's? No.
They're still
Wish,
in.
but
Everything
I'm
through here is
gonna
still
stop the
in.
camera for now.
Right. We can go home now.
Let's see.
That they're without electric for.
Yep. Do you think they would still let people in though?
No.
Where was the rodeo
Probably not.
plant a while ago? Somebody took some pictures.
They're, I think they are.
Yep.
The bank is too. That's crazy.
Yeah, I know. The dentist office
Does that mean Walmart? Yeah.
Walmart's out.
has to be.
Well, Walmart is out.
It is. It's dead. Well, it's got people.
There's a man though. Man is there. So do you think people can still shop with the power?
No.
No, they cannot.
The registers don't work, dude.
Oh yeah, I didn't think about that. It'd be weird to be in a dark Walmart. I'm not.
What, Walgreens is out too.
I need to go pick up a prescription.
They're all lost.
So I ought to be able
Huh.
to get me my prescription.
St. Camilla's is without the medical care. So is Twin Lakes Creamery.
Twin Lakes Creamery is without.
You think that we were able to go to the railroad tracks now? I think we are.
Yeah. I'll turn around and try to. There's Leitchfield Utilities.
Yep.
Their garbage can's blown over.
Well, if we put ours out, ours would have been blown over too.
So it kind of makes me wonder what was over here.
And we're back over here at Bainbridge
Oh,
Furniture.
it's
Same location again. Holy cow.
the truck behind us. I'll come back. We'll make another loop.
Alright, I got it.
I'm worried about